Your Facebook ads aren't broken. Your setup is. Here is your 2-minute step-by-step fix to get your ads working again. Step 1. Audit and cut ruthlessly. Look at 2 metrics: return on ad spend and link click-through rate. If your ROAS is below your break-even point or your CTR is under 1%, the ad is failing. Don't try to save it. Turn it off. Be ruthless. We are cutting the dead weight to focus on what works. Step 2. Go broad and trust the AI. Stop layering dozens of niche interests. That's the old way. In 2025, your best bet is broad targeting. Set your location, age, and gender, and leave interests blank. Use Advantage plus shopping campaigns. If you are in e-commerce, your pixel has data on whom your customers are. Trust Meta's AI to find more of them for you. You just need to feed it great creative. Step 3. Your creative is now 90% of the battle. It does the targeting for you. Number 1. Use short-form video. Think authentic. Under 50 seconds. Number 2. Hook in 3 seconds. Start with a bold claim, a question or a problem. Number 3. Test everything. Run at least 3 to 5 completely different ads in each ad set. Let the data tell you which video, image, or headline wins. And there you have it. Stop making those mistakes and start implementing this 2025 proof framework. If you find this helpful, do me a huge favor and hit that like and subscribe button for more data-driven marketing tips.